Hi, my name's Gino with Go Mortgage.
And I'm Kobe with Go Mortgage.
And today we're here to talk about our single close construction program. So Kobe, if you will, take it away.
Yes, of course. Our single close construction program is a loan that allows our customers to close on the construction loan financing and the permanent loan financing all in the same transaction. Compared to what you would see on a traditional construction loan is basically two loans where you have to qualify twice, pay two sets of closing fees, things like that, where the first loan is solely for the construction of the property. Then from there, once that construction's done, it typically has a big balloon payment on the end of it, which requires the customer to refinance, and then that's where the requalification comes in. Then you continue on with your permanent financing. This program eliminates that and allows the customer to do everything all in one transaction. And Gina, why don't you tell us a little bit about the programs that we offer here at Go Mortgage?
Absolutely. So we offer four. One would be the FHA program. So the FHA program comes with a 3.5% down payment, a 640 minimum credit score requirement. Now, what also comes along with this program is there are not area restrictions, but loan limit restrictions. So you can't build as much of a house wherever you want. Each county has their own limit to how much you can build. And to jump into the USDA program, which I believe is a great first-time home builder program, it requires 0% down. The credit score is a 640 as well. So with the USDA, they have a little bit of a caveat. There aren't loan limits, so you can build as much of a home as you want, but there are income restrictions. So when utilizing a 0% down payment program, you can't make too much money. So for VA, which in my opinion, in general, is the best program that anyone has to offer. So main thing is you have to be a veteran to qualify for it. This program also comes with a 0% down payment, and qualifying credit score is 620. The last program that we have to offer would be our conventional program, the most general type of loan there is out there. This comes with a 5% down payment, 640 minimum credit score. But the greatest thing about this program is it allows you to build a second home. I know if you were to go into your local bank and ask them to build a second home, they would ask for a lot more than 5% down. So just a quick general overview of our products, and one great thing about all four of them, this applies for FHA, USDA, VA, and conventional. If you know a family member or a friend willing to help you out, all these programs do allow gifts to assist with down payment and closing costs. So the money can't be borrowed, but if someone's willing to help you out, they can definitely assist you with down payment and closing costs across the board. So, Kobe, after the products, I'd like to see if you can explain a little bit about the reasons why someone should build a home.
Of course, and I get that question all the time from first-time home buyers, people looking to build their first home. All customers across the board pretty much ask, why should I build a home when I can go buy one that's already built? And my response to that is there's a couple different reasons. And the first reason is there's an inventory shortage in the market. The housing market is extremely hot right now, and because of that, it created the inventory shortage, which there's not many properties out there that people are interested in buying, and the ones that are out there, they either need some work or there's maintenance issues that are needed before it makes them move in ready.
Correct.
So that would be one reason. Another reason is you're allowed to, when you're building a home, you're personalizing it to all your specific styles, all of your interests. You're building your home to meet your needs. I mean, down to the colors of the walls when you walk in, when it's ready. So
definitely.
That would be the second reason. And then the third reason, I kind of touched on it earlier, is just the little to no maintenance at all. With these homes, you're building them brand new. And as we know, everything that's brand new typically requires little to no maintenance. So that's what I typically tell customers whenever they're looking to buy or build, and which way they should go. But I think it's a no-brainer whenever you're actually building your dream home. Not many people can say as the first house that they're buying, it actually was built by them as well. Another question that customers come in with all the time that I want to share with everyone here is, not everyone has a builder in mind of who they want to work with, or even knows builders that they could potentially use. So where would you go, and what would you tell that customer that doesn't have a builder, or how would they select the builder to go with this program?
Okay, so there's two ways to it. So first off, you do have the right to pick any builder you want. If you were recommended someone, all we need to do is send them basically, it's like a 4-page packet. They need to fill out a couple forms and get that back to us. We need to make them an eligible builder for our program. So if you have someone in mind, let us know, give us their contact information, we'll take it from there. And if you don't even know where to go, who to ask, or how to even take the first step forward of finding a builder, you can also let us know that. Over the last 8 months after this program is rolled out, we've slowly and steadily been building basically a database of eligible builders for this program. So out of the hundreds of eligible builders that we already have, odds are that there's going to be one in your area wanting to build a home for you. So don't let that be a worry for you. If you have someone in mind, we can work to get them approved. If you don't, we'll recommend someone. So that's not going to be a problem. One thing I would say though about this, it's a big rule. We don't allow for owner build or relative builds. So you can't build the home that you're looking to have built, and you can't have like your dad or your uncle or someone in your direct family build a home for you. So as long as all of those apply, the builder it's a pretty easy process. It's quick, it's painless, it's
up to you at the end of the day.
At the end of the day, it's up to you how you want to go about getting the builder. So just let us know, and we will do everything we can to get that builder as an eligible builder for you. If you don't already own the land, we can certainly work that purchase into the construction loan. That's why we call it a single close construction loan. We have the possibility to do things like that for you. Now, if you already own the land and there being any equity at all in that land, we can use the equity towards down payment and closing costs. So owning land and owning even a little bit of equity in the land that you do own can help you tremendously with closing costs and down payment with this program. And in my eyes, I think that's one of the greatest benefits of the single close construction program, being able to utilize equity in land.
Keeps more money in your pocket.
Definitely.
Well, you should go with Go Mortgage because not many people have the program to begin with. We're one of the very few lenders that offer a true single close construction program. So that's one added benefit of working with us. And I would say the biggest benefit of working with Go Mortgage is you're going to build a relationship with your home loan advisor from the very first conversation you have all the way through the end servicing of your construction loan. And that's a very long process. There's many questions that can come up with that. And you always know who to ask and who to call whenever something does come up and you do have a question to ask. Well, if I was building a house, I've always pictured myself living somewhere warm. I've lived in cold areas my whole life, so I'd like to build a house somewhere where it's warm pretty much year round. I don't have to deal with the snow or the ice because that's what we're dealing with here in Wisconsin right now, and it's just kind of dreary. No one's happy.
I'm not.
So I would go with. I would probably say Florida, which I am licensed in Florida, so that would probably work out pretty well. I know the state.
Florida's a great state, especially to build in. And being able to build, I mean, you're not a homeowner yet,
no,
but you can build a house. Me, if you would ask me that question, I'd have to say Arizona. I lived there for about a year, met a lot of awesome people, and I actually am doing a loan for a couple out in Arizona right now. It's costing them $210,000 to build the home. The appraisal just came back $325,000. The home's going to be worth when it's done over $100,000 equity already built into it. So there are definitely benefits to building in Arizona. So if I could pick a place, it'd be there. Just wanted to thank you all for tuning in today. Again, my name's Gino and I'm here with
Kobe.
So all of our contact information will be in the description box below. So if you have any questions about a build, a refinance, a purchase, even if you're truly not interested, just want a little bit more information on the programs that we have to offer, reach out to us. That's what we're here for. Like I said, it was a pleasure speaking to you guys. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll talk again soon.